So is this something that we're gonna have well done, or what do you,
Medium
does it matter?
rare.
Why medium rare?
Because it's most juicy.
Okay.
Let's see where it is right now.
So what's the temperature supposed to be?
We want to be around 140 at least, 130.
And
And
if
we're not there.
and if you don't, then what?
Well, it's raw.
Okay.
We should cook meat to at least, I don't know, one. Don't ask me, look it up.
I don't want to Google it. I'm tired. I've been on the computer all day. I
I
don't
don't
want to do it.
remember what it is. But I know everything is safe at like 140. I mean, everything beef, whatever. Poultry
Okay.
goes a little high.
So when it's at 140, does it mean that it's well done?
Maybe.
Okay. Okay. And a little bit of pink.
Oh my God, look it up.
No, I don't want to look it up. Maybe one of my viewers can tell me what are we talking about? I can't remember. Anyways, we're talking about this steak. And I think it was $15, which was kind of expensive. So maybe we could stretch it into 3 meals.
We're
Okay.
gonna throw these potatoes in the oven.
And these are just,
They're gonna boil.
were they boiled?
No, I threw them in the microwave for. There's 2 potatoes, and I pushed the microwave button for 1 potato, so
Okay.
they're half cooked.
Okay.
Going under the broiler. For 3 minutes.
And is that the same amount of time it would be like on a grill?
I have no idea.
Okay, well, yeah. I don't know.
Sorry. Let's see how this goes. Okay, wait, I'll do that.
And why, just to make a line or what?
Well, yeah, maybe. Hopefully the other side will be more pretty than this one, because this isn't as pretty, but that's the back side. I just want to check the temperature again, because you don't want to overcook it. Unless you're a professional where you know how to like do that. Yeah. We need to cook this a little longer. Maybe 3 minutes.
So did you season it with anything?
I marinated in whiskey, actually.
Okay. For like a couple hours or what?
I did, yeah.
And why the whiskey? What is it?
Because I had a whiskey steak in Omaha, Nebraska that was just the best steak ever. And I thought, well, why not try it? Because we had whiskey and I don't want to waste the tequila.
Is there any left? Well, we should have got more tonight. We were in town. Tomorrow morning. We got.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You know, we don't need to buy too often. Especially the good stuff.
I don't know. I was just acquiring a taste for it. So does our circulating fan work? Do we ever turn that on? It's noisy.
Sometimes. Like that.
See if it works.
Okay. So there we got some good spot marks.
Oh, that's good idea. Okay. Oh, I see. Oh, that's cool. Looks like a professional done steak, right? Oh, no, sure you do.
I think it's good now. We'll take it off and let it sit for 20 minutes or at least 10 minutes. Sorry about the noise. Okay. There we go. I'm gonna let that rest.
So what are you doing?
I'm dropping some butter on this. It's gonna make it really decadent. These are smashed potatoes from microwave baked potatoes. And we're putting them under the broiler for a few minutes just to crisp them up.
And what are the spices?
Oh, some oregano and some Cajun,
Okay.
and that's about it.
What?
A little bit of smoked salt.
So it's kind of bubbling there. Is that because you greased it or what?
Yeah, and they've been cooking for a while under the butter. I'm just gonna finish them up here. I'll throw some butter in there.
What's it called? Lemon butter?
Yeah, because guess what? It's lemon and butter. But you have to burn the butter first. Okay?
So it's lemon and butter, right?
Lemon butter, a burnt butter sauce.
Okay.
Burnt butter sauce with lemon.
Well, have a good night, everybody.